these are mixed foods. I just bought them. And snacks, 3 snacks, and 3 pepper to pretty up my chicken, carrots, 4 apples, got it, 4 plantain, then spinach, what do I forgot about the place? Vegetables and cashew deer. We did talk about sweet pepper, alright? And potato. This is Irish potato. This is sweet pepper. Sweet potato. Then I don't want no milk. I want this already, but I'm buying 2 more. Make my corn muffin. I have eggs already. I don't want no eggs now. So pass it. Alright, take me in my clothes. They look nice. Ooh. This is Walmart. Shopping for some grocery. Yeah. I think coffee is finished. You ready? Again, this is ice. You call this? And this is eggs. This is yogurt. Like yogurt. And cookies. These. Nice. This is the coffee. Coffee. Then I wanted this. That's what this good, right? Because I think you drink this, that's this. Right. We go. Let me go. You're going fast now. Bird is in Walmart flying up and where the hell? Where the bird is? They're looking for it to catch it. Sit there. You see it? You see it? You see it, Victoria? Where it is? Ice cream, butterfree ice cream. This and the coffee. We did some milk. We did put milk. We did put the milk. And this is that. Yogurt. All these things. We're gonna check out now. Let you go. Just like and subscribe if you like my grocery people. My grocery.